So now that you have begun your keyword research and you have a pretty good idea of what landing pages on your website you're going to be using to drive keywords from your Google Grant 2, I'm going to show you a really quick way to use ChatGPT to go ahead and expand out your keyword research. So I would definitely recommend going with either the methods that I talk about up in the previous videos to start. But then once you sort of have an idea of your, let's say, main keyword, then you can come to ChatGPT and plug it in and get a whole boatload of additional recommendations. So for this example, I'm going to be using Health Partners Canada, and we're going to be expanding out the keyword research for the workplace giving page. So of course, as you know, the very first keyword in this ad group is going to be workplace giving because we can see it clearly pictured in the landing page URL. So now let's go over to ChatGPT. Now it is going to be chat.openai.com. I'll include the link below this video. Now this is going to be the free version, so you do not need to pay to upgrade to any particular type of version at the time of this video. I'm not sure in the future if you will have to pay, so have a look, but you will have to log in or register for an account, so that will use just an email address in order to sort of get in and access. So once you're here, you're going to do new chat or just start a chat at the very bottom if this is your first time using ChatGPT. And you're going to go ahead and paste in the prompt that's just below this video that's going to help you let ChatGPT know what you're looking for. So the prompt reads, act like an expert search marketer and give me 10 keywords like the keyword, in quotes, I put workplace giving. I only want those that have a high average monthly search volume. Organize these keywords into a chart with list of keywords, keyword search volume as search volumes, and keyword difficulties as keyword difficulties. So basically, all you'll want to do in this scenario is replace the workplace giving with whatever keyword that you want to utilize for this prompt, and then you'll just do save and submit. So then ChatGPT will hopefully spit out a beautiful chart for us, just as we asked. Okay, and now we have the list of keywords, the keyword search volume, and then the keyword difficulty. Okay, so these are other opportunities or options that we can utilize to sort of further expand out workplace giving. So again, select those that have the highest amount of search volume that you can, and go for those that are low to medium competition. I wouldn't recommend going after high competition keywords unless they're using them as broad match. So in this example, we can go ahead and just copy all of these if we want, just a list of keywords. We can bring these into an Excel document and just Command V or paste them all in. Again, if you don't want them to be like sort of black like ChatGPT has them, I'll just go ahead and fix them up here. So now we actively have our keyword list, our keyword volumes, and our keyword difficulty. So then you're sort of free to go through all of these and decide which ones you will utilize and not. So I'll just quickly go through them. Workplace fundraising, that isn't really relevant to workplace giving. So employee giving campaigns, workplace volunteer programs, that's not relevant. Corporate donation programs, that's fine. Giving back at work, we'll keep that. That's sort of in the gray area. I think people that are typing and giving back to work are more looking for like ways to maybe like volunteer at a food bank or something. So we'll keep an eye on that. Workplace charity programs, that's sort of in the gray area too. We'll keep that, but we'll keep an eye on it. Employer matching gifts, yep, we'll keep that. That's very similar. Corporate social responsibility initiatives, that is a mouthful. I would say that we'll remove that. I think that's going for something different. Employee donation programs, we'll keep that. Corporate philanthropy, I would probably remove corporate philanthropy, goodness, I think that's going for something a little different. So now we've started with just our workplace giving keyword, and now we've expanded out to all of these additional keywords that we can utilize in the same ad group. So that is a very quick way to go ahead and expand out your keywords using ChatGPT. Now I was just using one keyword in this example, so you would have to go keyword by keyword, but if you wanted to, just copy and paste this, you could do multiple keywords at a time as well. Okay, so that was quickly how to use ChatGPT to expand out your keyword research even further than what you've already got. Thank you.